Facing. Facing is an operation performed on the lathe machine to reduce the length of the workpiece. Okay. So, if this is the chuck and this is rotating spindle, this is the workpiece, this is the axis, this is the facing tool, and the feed given in this operation is in a vertical direction, and the movement of the facing tool would be parallel to the axis of the workpiece. Okay, so this is the workpiece, this is the chuck, this is the spindle. So what is the speed? Feed in this case moves in a vertical direction to reduce the length of the given workpiece. So if the feed is in vertical direction, then this would be the removal part of the workpiece, right? So feed describes the operation performed on the lathe machine. If the feed is in vertical direction, then it would be a facing operation. Okay. Let's move on to second operation, which is turning. Turning is the operation of reducing the diameter of the given workpiece. Okay. If this is the chuck, this is the rotating spindle, this is the axis, this is the workpiece, then the feed would be given over here as the workpiece would be like this, right? This describes the diameter of the workpiece. If the feed would be given like this, in this way, then there would be some reduction of the workpiece, right? So, if the feed is given in a horizontal direction, parallel to the axis of the workpiece, and the movement of the feed will also be parallel to the axis of the workpiece, and this tool would be turning tool. Okay. So in this case, feed is in horizontal direction. So it describes about the turning operations. So